Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click the subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for commercial meat grinder? Now we will see best 5 commercial meat grinders from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click in the bell icon. Weston Pro Series Electric Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 230 and people rate 4.6 out of 5. Specifications: 2 horsepower motor. Can process substantial meat chunks shortly. Solid body construction with stainless steel. Effortless operation with durable tube set. LEM 0.75 HP stainless steel electric meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 893 and people rate 4.8 out of 5. Specifications: strong motor with stainless steel body. Grinds various types of meats. No internal care required. No overheating issues. Please like, comment and subscribe. Gideon hand crank manual meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1,344 and people rate 3.8 out of 5. Specifications: made with steel and plastic combination. Enclosed blades for better performance. Strong and powerful suction. Easy cleaning and washing. Homeleader meat grinder and sausage stuffer. Total review of this meat grinder is 88 and people rate 4.3 out of 5. Specifications: stainless steel body. Less noise while in operation. Circuit breaker for motor burning prevention. Several meat cutting modes. LEM Products Big Bite Electric Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 895 and people rate 4.8 out of 5. Specifications: stainless steel motor housing. Built-in circuit breaker for accident prevention. Storage drawer. Several grinding plates. Check the description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.